Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to print out a document on the Signature application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First open the app on your phone, go to your home page and then select the document that you would like to print out. After that, click on the printer option at the top. You should select the printer that you want to connect to your device. Select the range, such as you want to print out all pages, or you can also select the relevant pages that you want to print out. After that, select the paper size. Here you have a bunch of options. Tap on the relevant one, and here you can check out the print layout. So if you are ready to print it, click on the print button in the upper right corner of the screen. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.